Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a real exciting episode for everyone except for this guy. Just so you know, today is pressure washing and mouse removal slash shop vac cleaning of this old new to be known 50 model. Had a current subscriber hit me up and say everything looks like a 50 and possibly a 51, so pretty much I went through, done the VIN date code, had a T on it, which means 1950. So let me show you a run through of the horribleness we get to wash and vacuum out of this poor old car. Just so everybody knows, the straight 8, I've kind of blown it off. Went through, checked it out, see what parts I do need. Parts Geek were the folks who fixed me up with several things in a local parts store that don't ask you 2 or 4 wheel drive for the lead. Windshield wiper options got me all of my ignition stuff, so pretty much I'm waiting on a few other small things and then the revival shall ensue. But here she be in her all her form. We're going to B52 the block down and most of the components around it just so it's clean to start working on, because she's only got 20 plus years of dirt, grime, grease, gunk on it. So let me show you some of the interior. Yeah, it's Dale. As you can see, this must have been the only mouse home for many miles, and today we shall do our best to remove said mouse homes, and a very good possibility pressure wash the inside and out, as well as shop vac the inside. Oh, now the back of it locks, which it did not do in the previous option. Ain't that nice? And now for the removal of the mouse house and several other things, since we've got some help. The Dillo is back. Alright, we're gonna get this nasty mess out the back, and probably a good chance of a pressure wash as well as a shop vacuum. Okay, just giving everybody a heads up, we do have the emblem that you really want with this, which is the Indian head. Yeah, it's pitted and a little rough looking, but the more exciting part for, you know, the driver is pre-installed fire extinguisher in the back seat. Where could this go? Fire. Gonna use some of that quality B52 and just give it a good soaking. Save us a whole ton of a headache while the pressure washing process goes about, but we're gonna let it sit for a good 15, 20, and maybe longer,
while we vacuum out the
let me show you the interior where we're at. It looks like there were some full-grown rat slash squirrel size stuff here. This is the biggest rust holes we got to fight with. She is in great shape. Pretty much it's a solid car to be a 50. All in all, pulled the seats. Everything looks really decent, just to be honest with you, other than looks like you could use this as a digging mine, but all in all, she's nice. And just like that, she is covered in B52, which in my opinion is a very good degreaser cleaner. Let it soak for a good 15 minutes, and the pressure washing, it'll look like brand new in here, even with 70 years of grease, 70 plus years, honestly, with it being a 50. So pretty much now it's time to turn our attention, which is not very exciting, to that interior. Ooh. After a small modification with a drill, the trunk now opens for anyone, but mostly for us, so that's all that matters. And as you can see, the mouse hotel, that junk, and you know, the 70-year-old white wall can all be removed to remove all this filth. I'm sure I'm gonna pressure wash and shop vac the car on all ends. Might as well. It's just absolutely nasty in here. Well, after an acute case of mesothelioma, And a little bit of elbow grease from the shop vac that would remind you of your ex-girlfriend. We have got her cleaned up. A few holes here and there, nothing extreme. I mean, there's the rod under the pedals like you'd expect, but I mean, quite a nice looking little old start for a 50 model vehicle. So now time for the pressure washing. It's giving you an idea, everyone, of what the flavor we've got going on in here is. It's an upgrade to spray the B52 on everything. It is that bad. The rat's got this smelling like a, I don't know what he said.
A litter box in a trap house.
Litter box in a trap house. We'll go with that. I was drawing a blank. Obviously he was not. So, one up to the Dello. Now to wash all 50 years away, 70 years away, God. I bet it cleaned up well. Well, after a good bath, this does not look like the same vehicle. And that was just a small amount of rubbing with a green Scotch-Brite. And as my buddy Dale just mentioned, somebody else's piss poor decisions are gonna make the patina on this beauty come out really strongly, because I mean, other than the trunk, we do not have the blue on the trunk, but the rest of this grill is looking pretty decent, You know, some floor patch work, some seat work. Man, this is gonna be cool. So, more or less, I'm sure you'll see some learn how to do patina work with us, because we're learning as well. But hey, there's so many colors. You got your blues, your primers, your lacquer black, which is quite shiny. The idea is yank all the chrome, oven cleaner it, or some type of paint remover, and get it back to be standing tall. So this is the end of the day for me. Time to get this little heathen boy of mine home and go get some dinner in us. We'll catch you next time. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more, and we'll catch you soon. Thanks for viewing.